Hello my people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caroline Linda. I come from Makueni County, which is in Kenya, Africa. Yeah, that is where I reside. For those who are new here, for the returning subscribers, I just hope that you know what I do. Yeah, and you know where I live. Yeah, so in today's video, I'm just in my farm where I planted the French beans. I just want to show you how they have grown. It's during the second week after I planted, and I just to show you how they are faring. And I also want to harvest the other beans that are in the other farm. Yeah, they are dry by now. I want to harvest them and take them home. Yeah, so that is what I'm going to do for today. And I'll also put the manure. You remember when I was planting the French beans, I did not put the manure. I want to put it right now on. So let's do the work together, guys. I will just start by what? By harvesting the beans before the sun gets hot. Because when you harvest when the sun is hot, most of them will remain in the farm. You will not be able to harvest all of them. So I want to harvest them now before the sun gets hot. Then I will show you how my French beans are faring as I put the manure on top. So let's start the work, guys. So guys, this is the farm where I want to harvest the beans. They have dried up, all of them, so let me show you well. This is where I want to harvest. And the maize are also coming up even if we don't have rains. And this is where I'm going to put them, guys. So it's time to harvest, guys, before the sun gets too hot. We just harvest by uprooting them because they are dry. If I wanted for cooking, yeah, I'll just pluck them, but because I want to harvest all of them, I'll just uproot them. Guys, I'm done with the harvesting of the beans. Yeah, this is what I've got from the wool farm. Yeah. Now it's time to go and show you how my French beans are faring. So guys, this is the French beans. As I told you, this is the second week. And as you can see, they have 3 leaves, some 2. Yeah. This is it, guys. It's a very good milestone. And as I told you, French beans only stay only 2 months in the farm and you start harvesting. Yeah, this is the first farm, and the other one over here is the second farm. Yeah, this is it, guys. So I just wanted to put the manure so that I can do what? It's not weeding. I want only to mix the manure with the soil. As I was planting, I did not put the manure, so I'll just put them on top here. So guys, the reason for doing this is just to mix the soil with the manure I have just put. Yeah, so that when I'm watering, the manure will not be carried away by the water. Yeah, so this is the best way to retain the manure. So guys, I've just finished mixing the manure with the soil. Yeah, so now I want to go home as I take my beans that I have harvested in the other farm. Yeah, so let's meet at home, guys. And guys, I'm right here again at home. Yeah, I have spread my beans over the sun so that they can dry well. So watch the video to the end, and if you have not subscribed, kindly do so that we can reach the target of the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Yeah, and I'll be grateful for that. So let's get into the work, the final work, guys. So guys, these are the beans. Yeah, and it's getting late in the evening. Remember, I harvested them in the morning hours. Wewe,